How to protect my Xbox from viruses and malware.
Hello there, fellow gamers. Today, we're going to discuss an important topic: how to protect your Xbox from viruses and malware. Although the risk is generally lower for consoles compared to PCs, it's always better to be safe than sorry. So, let's dive right in.
What are the risks?
First off, it's important to know that the Xbox operating system is a closed system, meaning it's highly resistant to viruses and malware. The apps and games are thoroughly reviewed by Microsoft before they get onto the Xbox platform. However, there are still some risks when browsing the web or interacting with others online, so let's see how we can minimize those.
Keep your Xbox system updated.
Regular updates are not just about new features, they also include security patches. Microsoft consistently works to keep its systems secure, and these updates help protect your console from any potential threats. So, always make sure your Xbox is running the latest system update.
Be careful while browsing the internet.
The Xbox has a built-in web browser that you might use from time to time. However, just like on a computer, it's important to be cautious about the sites you visit and the links you click. Avoid suspicious websites and never download anything from untrusted sources.
Guard your personal information.
When playing online, be careful not to share any personal information with strangers. This includes your Xbox account details, passwords, and any other sensitive data. Phishing attempts are a common form of online scams, so always stay vigilant.
Avoid installing unofficial software.
Remember to only install games and applications from the official Xbox store. Unauthorized modifications or third-party software can leave your console vulnerable to security breaches. While the Xbox console is built with robust security measures, it's always best to take precautions. Remember to keep your system updated, browse the internet wisely, guard your personal information, and only install official software. We hope these tips have been helpful and will keep your gaming safe and enjoyable. Happy gaming!